Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today we are learning Surah An-Nisa, ayat number 7 and onwards. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. للرجال للرجال for Kasra give E sound. Ra will be light because whenever Ra is with Kasra or Kasra, then it is light. Ja, 2 counts long. For Fatha, open your jaws and open your sound. Ja, let it flow nicely and straight. Jali, Rijali, na is short. Sli, it is 2 counts long. Sod is heavy. Sod has Safir. Sod is yes, it's heavy. With Kasra, give E sound and make it 2 counts long. Nasli, boom. This is idgham with gunna, and idgham gunna is keeping the sound in your nose for nose, and this is akmal gunna, so you are giving time, give a longer time in your nose. Nasibum mim for kasra, give E sound. Mim, and then there is again it akmal gunna, and akmal gunna is the longest gunna in Quran. Mim ma is 2 counts long. When you are doing akmal gunna is the completest gunna and the longest gunna, and whenever you are finding mim and noon with tashdid or with tashdid, or you find idgham, rules of idgham, whether this idgham is from meme or noon, you are giving akmal gunna. You are pronouncing akmal gunna. And akmal gunna is the longest gunna. Whenever you find meme or noon with tashdid or any rule of idgham, you are creating akmal gunna. So here you find with tashdid, so you're creating akmal gunna. Meme, keep your sound in your nose for a longer time, and then it is 2 counts long. Ma, again, ma, ta is short, and ta is very a sharp sound. The sound cuts right away, and there is no flow of sound. Ta, ra is heavy, and when you are pronouncing ra with heaviness, you are not circling your lips. And for fatha, open your jaws. Ta, ra, Kel, kaf is light. For fatha, open your jaws, attach with lam. Lam will get sipa of the basut. Kel, wa, for wow, circle your lips and make it 2 counts long. Li, for kasra, give E sound. Da, 2 counts long. Ni, for kasra, give E sound, and the sound is short. Well, for wow, circle your lips. For fatha, open your jaws, attach with lam. Lam will get sipa of the wasut. Well, aqo. Hamza is very sharp. For fatha, open your jaws. Sharp sound is like when you are giving no flow of sound. The sound is pronounced and then it cuts away. The flow of sound is the totally opposite to the sharp sound. The sharp sound has no flow of sound whatsoever. Aqo. Hamza is sharp, no flow of sound. For fatha, open your jaws, attach with qaf. Qaf is heavy. Qaf, and it has qalqala. Aqo, ra is heavy. For fatha, open your jaws. Bu, for dhamma, circle your lips, make it 2 counts long. Na, short. Wa, for wow, circle your lips. For fatha, open your jaws. Lin, for kasra, give E sound. And attach it. Noon will get akmal gunna. Why? Because noon and meen, whenever these are with tashdid, have akmal gunna. Lin, akmal gunna needs to be taken in the nose for a longer time. Ni for kasra, give E sound. Sa, 4 counts long. E for kasra, give E sound. The sound is shadid, so there is no flow of sound. The sound cuts away right and there and then. E, na short. Sli, 2 counts long. Sad is heavy, sad is safi, sli, boom. This is idgham. So whenever there is a rule of idgham, you are giving it akmal gunna. Nasibum, mim, e sound, me, mim. أكمل غنة ما 2 counts long. ت short. أرى heavy and short. ترى كل كاف is light ففتحة open jaws attached with lam will get sifa off. توسط كل و 2 counts long and circle your lips. ولي for kasra give e sound. Da 2 counts long. Ni for kasra give e sound. Well for circle your lips. ففتحة open jaws attached with lam will get sifa off. توسط والأق همزة is sharp ففتحة open jaws attached with قاف will get sifa قلقلة أق Ra is heavy. Woo 2 counts long. Na short. Mim for kasra give e sound. You're not disturbing this e sound even if it is attached with the coming up letter. Mim. There is akmal gunna. When you are attaching this meme with this meme here, you will apply akmal gunna. And akmal gunna is the longest. Mim. This is keeping the sound in your nose, and then it is 2 counts long. Ma. Qal. Qaf is heavy for fatha. Open jaws attached with lam. Qal. Tawassut and fatha. For fatha open jaws. La. Short. Qal. La. Min. For kasra give e sound attached with noon. Noon will get sifa of tawassut, and ruling is idhar. Min, who for the circle your lips. Ow, hamza is very sharp. There is no flow of sound. The sound cuts away. For fatha when your jaws attached with wow, and it is 2 counts long because this is lean. Ow, and the old shidda or anything is there, still there, and then you are making it 2 counts long, and because this fatha and the sound of wow is giving it 2 counts long sound. So ow hamza is sharp, but fatha, yes, you're giving time. For wow, yes, you're giving time. Ow. Can you feel the sound of hamza and fatha? Ow. And it is 2 counts long because this is lean. Ka. Kaf is light. For fatha open jaws, the sound is short. Ka. Tu. For dhamma, circle your lips, and as you knew, you will touch a ra. Ra is with sakoon here because you are giving sakoon because of the waqf. So your lips should be in a straight position on ra, and ra will get tawassut because ra is with sakoon here. So na is short. Sli 2 counts long, and whenever you are pronouncing any heavy letter, you are not circling your lips. Otherwise, it will be very different sound, which we don't want. We want your lips straight, your tongue lifted up to make the heavy sound, and you're engaging the makhraj too for sad. Nasli, sli, bam. For fatha, open your jaws attached with meme, we will get sifa of gunna, and the ruling is idgham. Bam. Can you see this idgham ruling is under the akmal gunna category? So yes. Bam maf. For fatha, open your jaws attached with fa, maf, maf, and fa has hams, and hams is a flow of breath. Please make sure that you know where is flow of breath and where is flow of sound. In Rakhawa, in Tawassut, and in Shadda, you are concerning about the sound. But when it comes Jahar and Hams, there is a flow of sound or flow of breath. Flow of breath or no flow of breath. Jahar is no flow of breath, and Hams is flow of breath. So there is a complete difference between the sound and the sound and the breath. So here you are bringing breaths. Math, ru, for dhamma circular lips, and it is 2 counts long. Ru, do, مفروض ضاد is heavy, so there should be إطباق. Your tongue should lift up and touch your palate nicely, and because of the إطباق, and you're lifting your tongue nicely because of the استعلاء. مفروض, and this is mad عوض, because you're exchanging the sound of noon. It should be without waqf. It is one. So this noon sound we are changing it with the mud letter. So this exchange has created mud, and that is called mad عوض. مفروضة. For wow. Okay. للرجال نصيب مما ترك الوالدان والأقربون وللنساء نصيب مما ترك الوالدان والأقربون مما قل منه أو كثر نصيبا مفروضا. For wow, circle your lips. For fatha, open your jaws. The sound is short. E for kasra, give E sound. The 2 counts long. Wa either ha has misty sound. For fatha, open your jaws. And before that, you are creating this misty sound, and this misty sound is for fatha, open your jaws. Ha, lo for dot is heavy. For fatha, open your jaws. Royal for fatha, open your jaws, attached with lam. Lam will get sifa of the wasut. Royal. Qis, qaf is heavy. For kasra, give E sound, attached with seen. Qis, ma is short. Ta, short and very sharp. Ma, ta, u for dhamma circular lips. As you can see the 0, so we are not pronouncing this wow. This is the sound is very short. U, lul for dhamma circular lips, attached with lam. Lam will get sifa of tawassut. Lul, or qaf is heavy for dhamma circular lips, attached with ra. Ra will get sifa of tawassut. Or ba is 2 counts long. Well for wow circular lips, for fatha, open jaws, attached with lam. Lam will get sifa of tawassut. Well, yeah, it's very soft, and the fatha is very short. Yeah, ta is very sharp. No flow of sound whatsoever. Ta, ma is 2 counts long. Well, for wow circular lips, for fatha, open your jaws, attached with lam. Lam will get sifa of tawassut. Well, ma is short. Sa, 2 counts long. E, 2 counts long. Kaf is light. No for the circular lips. Fa, whenever you are pronouncing fa, whether it is sakin, it has fatha, or it has dhamma, it has kasra, whatever form it is in, it has hums, and hums is a flow of breaths. This sound should be there before pronouncing fatha. As you will touch fatha, the sound will be very short, and whatever it requires to attach with the raw, so you are attaching it to raw, and raw will be heavy here. It has soot. It starts with this sound. This flow of breath should be here. And raw will be heavy. And tawassut. Zu for the circular lips. The sound is very short, and they should be zafil. Zu. It is 2 counts long, and it is heavy. And for the circular lips, Hum for the circular ellipse. And this is idgham shafawi. Yes. As you can see, the idgham rules are under akmal gunna. Akmal gunna is the longest gunna. So you are creating longer gunna here. Oh, hum mean. And yes, you can also say that meme is with tashdid. So I am creating akmal gunna here. Yes, you can take it either way. Either you can take idgham rule or you wanted to take the rule of meme mushaddada and you are creating akmal gunna. Yes, you can do it. Uhum mean for kasra give e sound. Don't ever drop it, even you are attaching with the coming up letter. Then there is tawassut and ruling is idhar. Mean who for the circular ellipse. The sound is very short. Wa for wow circular ellipse. So pata open your jaws. Ooh, cough is heavy and make it 2 counts long. Ooh, lu, la short. Hum for the circular ellipse attached with me will get sifa of tawassut. Qaw for qaf is heavy fatha open your jaws attached with wow and it is 2 counts long because this is lean. Qaw lam for fatha open jaws attached with me and gum. So you are creating akmal gunna or you wanted to say that meme is with tashdid so I wanted to say it with akmal gunna. Yes, you can say that. قولا but the ruling which is most important here is idgham. So uh, it is akmal gunna because of the idgham. قولا مع for fatha when jaws attached to the ain will get sifa of tawassut and the ain is light. Many people think that this ain is heavy. No, it is not heavy. You're not lifting your tongue up. You are creating this sound from your throat. Ma, ma. You're not using your tongue at all. Ma'ru for the circle your lips and make it 2 counts long and ra is heavy here. Ru fa mad iwad because you are exchanging the sound of tanween into the long vowel. So this exchange make this vowel long. So it is called mad iwad. Mad to stretch and iwad in exchange of do things we are exchanging the sound of noon into long vowel. وإذا حضر القسمة أولو القربى واليتامى والمساكين فارزقوهم منه وقولوا لهم قولا معروفا. Make sure you bring hums in it too. واليخ واو circle lips ففتحة open jaws attached with lam will get sifa of tawassut. واليخ yeah is light. You are lifting your tongue up to touch the towards the palate, but you are not touching it. So this keeps this ya very light and very soft. Yakh and give raqawa and it is heavy. Kha has raqawa, kha is heavy, but you are not giving the scratchy sound in kha. Yakh shell for fatha open your jaws attached with lam will get sifa after wasud. Shell la for fatha is very short. The 2 counts long. Na short. Low for fatha open your jaws attached with wow and it is 2 counts long because this is lean. Low ta is very sharp. There's no flow of sound, and the sound cuts away there and then. Ta, ra is heavy. For fatha open your jaws, the sound is very short. Ta, ra, hu. Circle your lips and make it 2 counts long. Mean for kasra give e sound. Don't drop this e sound even you are attaching with the coming up letter, min, and give tawassut, and ruling is idhar. Min, qal, for fatha open jaws attach with lam, lam will get sifa of tawassut. Qal, fi, for kasra give e sound with hums. Him, for kasra give e sound attach with mim, we will get sifa of tawassut. Him, zur, for the circle lips attach with ra, and give little tawassut, and then this ra is attached with ya. Here, when you are attaching this ra with ya, you are creating nabar. Ri. First, you are saying dal with ra, dur, dur, and ra is light here. So listen carefully. Dur, little tawassut, ri. For kasra, give e sound and make ra light and give number. Then fatha is very short, yeah, and ya is very soft. Even though you are lifting your tongue up towards the palate, but you're not touching it, that is making ya very soft. Yeah. Tongue. For fatha, ta will be very sharp. And when you are creating ikhfa, the ikhfa will be heavy. So let's go back. Dur, ri, yeah, ri. This is number. Fatha is very soft and short. Yeah. Tongue. Ikhfa, and this is heavy ikhfa. You're lifting your tongue up. Tongue. Li. For kasra, give e sound. Dot is very heavy and short. Ah. From your throat. 2 counts long. Ah. Fan. Tawassut, and ruling idhar. Sifa is tawassut, but ruling is idhar. Afan, kha. It is 2 counts long, and kha is heavy, but you're not circling your lips for any heavy letter, but you are lifting your tongue up to make it heavy. Kha, fu. Circle your lips, make it 2 counts long. Ain from your throat. For fatha, open your jaws. The sound is short. Lay, 2 counts long. For fatha, give 1 count. For ya, give 1 count. In total, it will be 2 counts, and ya will be soft. And that is making, that's why it is called lean, because it is soft. Lay, lay, him. For kasra, give e sound attached with mim, will get sifa of tawassut. Him. Give this hums before fatha, but with the fatha, the sound will be very short, and it will be attached with lam. Lam will get sifa of tawassut. Fell, fell, yet. Yeah, is very soft. For fatha, open your jaws, attached with ta. Yet. Ta is very sharp. Ta. For fatha, open your jaws, the sound is very short. Qul. For qaf. Qaf is heavy. For dhamma, circle your lips, attached with lafz jalala. Qul. Qul. Law. Law. Why it is heavy? Because you can find dhamma before it. فَلْيَتَّقُوا اللَّهَ. By default, it is 2 counts long. Law. Ha is short. Well, for wow, circle your lips. For fatha, open jaws attached with lam. Lam will get sifa of tawassut. Well, yeah. Wow, yeah is very soft. For fatha, open your jaws. The sound is very short. Yeah. Ooh. Make it 2 counts long, and it is heavy. Ooh. Circle your lips for dhamma very nicely. Ulu. Qaw. For fatha, open your jaws attached with wow. Lean. This is lean. Make it soft, make it long, and make this heavy too. Qaw. La. This is ikhfa, and this is light ikhfa. So this ikhfa, in this ikhfa, you will keep the tongue straight. What are the steps of ikhfa? You are not pronouncing the sound of noon with your tongue, but you're keeping the sound in your nose. The nose part is remaining, but the makhraj has gone. Makhraj of when where you are, you were touching your tongue on the palate. for this noon. No, you are not pronouncing that part. You are not saying qawlan sadidan. No, you are. So where this tongue will be used if it is not going towards the makhraj of noon, it is going towards the makhraj of seen. Now you are getting ready to pronounce seen. You are keeping the sound in your nose. You are going towards the makhraj of seen, and you are keeping the sound in your nose. قولا س is short. D two counts long. The mad عوض. You are exchanging this عوض. In Urdu we say عوضا. Uh, we got it in عوضا. I was of this thing. So that is عوض. This is dot. So in Arabia we pronounce it dot as dot, not za. So this is you can see. Okay, Mm. So you are exchanging the sound of noon into long vowel, so it is making it two counts long. Sadida. وليخشى الذين لو تركوا من خلفهم ذرية ضعافا خافوا عليهم فليتقوا الله وليقولوا قولا سديدا. In Hamza is very sharp for kasra, give e sound attached with noon. Noon will get sifa of gunna, and this is akmal gunna. In, and then fatha is very short and attached with lam. Nal, give the wasut. Nal, la, for fatha open jaw. The two counts long. Na, now noon is very short. Yeah is very soft for fatha open jaws attached with hamza. Hamza is very sharp and cuts away the flow of sound there, and then there is no flow of sound whatsoever in hamza. Yeah, yeah, ku for dhamma, circle your lips. Lu, make it two counts long, circle your lips for dhamma. Na, for fatha open your jaws, the sound is very short. Hamza is very sharp. For fatha open your jaws, attached with meme, meme will get sifa off. Tawassut. Wa, for wow, circle your lips. For fatha open your jaws and make it two counts long. Wa, lal, for fatha open your jaws, attach with lam, lam will get sifa of tawassut. Lal, yeah is short. Ta, two counts long, very sharp sound, no flow of sound whatsoever. Yeah, ta, ma, two counts long. Wool for the circle lips. Law is heavy. Law has itbaq. Law and law is attached with lam. Lam will get sifa of the wasut. Wool man. Sifa of the wasut, but ruling is idhar. Man. In Hamza is very sharp. For kasra give e sound attached with noon. Noon will get sifa of gunna, and this is akmal gunna. In, but fatha is very short. Na, short. Ma, two counts long. Yeah is very soft. For fatha open your jaws attached with hamza. Yeah, kuluna. Fi, two counts long, and give hams before saying this kasra. This sound should be in this flow of breath should be there, and make it two counts long. Fi, bu, for dhamma, circle your lips. Bu. If you will not circle your lips, the sound will be bu, bu, bu. But it will go towards the fatha or any other thing, but it will not be dhamma. So for dhamma, you have to circle your lips nicely, and the sound is very short. Bu, bu, bu. To is heavy. Lift your tongue up, circle your lips. There are so many things going on. So go slow then. Tu, ni. For kasra give e sound. Him. For kasra give e sound attached with me. Me will get sip up the wasud. Him. Na, 2 counts long. Ra, not عوض. You're exchanging the sound of noon into to mud letter. So this is making it 2 counts long. Nara. Wa, for wow, circle your lips for fatha, open your jaw. S, seen has Sophie, seen is short, seen for fatha, open jaws. Wa, s, yes. Yeah, it's very soft. For fatha, open jaws, attaches sword. Sword will get sifa of raqawa. It is heavy. It has safid. Yes, low. 2 counts long because this is lean. Na, short. S, gives safir. For fatha, open jaws. The sound is very short. S, ain from your throat and make it 2 counts long. Ra, 2 counts long. Sa'ira. إن الذين يأكلون أموال اليتامى ظلما إنما يأكلون في بطونهم نارا وسيصلون سعيرا. سبحانك اللهم ربنا وبحمدك أشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت أستغفرك وأتوب إليك. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.